Hello everyone! It's gonna be a super exciting video today. Time is ticking. Let's get back to the no technology world with the Hourglass phone case. You can pass time with it without losing your battery. This will definitely lead to a pat on your back. Let's get our drawing skills out. Draw an hourglass. Is it tough? Take a print. No printer? No worries. Just trace it out this way. Cut along and pop the stencil out. This is an adhesive glitter foam sheet. Using the stencil, trace the hourglass on it. Cut along once again, this way. Since we just need the frame of the hourglass, draw the inner this way and cut it out. Pick the lamination paper and stick the frame on it. Place a white paper on it and press around the frame with hot iron box. Leave the top of the frame open to fill it in with beads. You can also use sand or semolina. Cut the excess lamination paper out. Look at the way the semolina makes its way through. Seal the top once the hourglass is filled. Glue the hourglass to the phone case and stick the other glitter frame on it. There is another crazily easy way as well to do this. Instead of ironing the lamination paper, we simply staple it. Do hit the bell icon for notifications. Please comment, like, and subscribe. This is your Sue signing off.